Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is David Balazik and I'm a managing partner and consultant at Consulta, a cloud business enablement consultancy working with IT partners on their cloud go-to-market strategy and execution. Working with independent software vendors around the globe, we get a lot of questions about which public cloud provider is a better choice for their organization. For example, what is the advantage of developing applications with platform as a service versus infrastructure as a service? The answer to such question usually starts with "it depends." It depends on what your goal is, your knowledge and skill sets, development style and preference. Do you want a lot of flexibility, and are you willing to spend time and resources on sysadmin for the whole setup to be put in place and then kept running, which is the case of the infrastructure as a service approach? Or would you prefer to spend your time and resources on the application development and rely on the vendor to choose the available base software components, versions, configurations, and they basically scale everything up or down for you behind the scenes without you having to worry about the details, which is the case with the platform as a service approach. Platform as a service approach actually allows you to develop applications faster and with less resources. Therefore, focus on your core business and, at the end, the profitability of your projects. Once you conclude the infrastructure as a service versus platform as a service discussion, people usually ask, okay, who is the leader in public cloud space? And the answer again starts with, it depends. It depends on the perspective, especially since public cloud has several layers and extensions. Is your approach to go after best of breed on a service-by-service level, or do you prefer to work with the provider that has the best aggregate of services, or even supports you with hybrid scenarios? And the latter is crucial, since the majority of the market has either on-premises or hybrid IT delivery preference today. So, if you want to extend the market reach, then you'll most likely partner with a vendor that is supporting you with hybrid platforms and common cross-platform tools for development, monitoring, and management. In 2014, we conducted a quick survey with independent software vendors in 8 different countries. And our main interest was about their decision process when choosing a cloud platform. What we realized is that there are 4 key criteria ISVs found most relevant when making such decision between Microsoft, AWS, Google, and local hosting providers: technology maturity and performance, business benefits, intuition, and vendor's local presence. Vendor's local presence was actually rated with almost the same importance as the technology maturity and performance. Having the right resource at hand when you start engaging with the cloud, or when things don't progress as planned, is crucial. What was also interesting is that ISVs that opted for Microsoft Azure noted that business and technical reasons were equally important decision criteria. On the other hand, AWS partners noted that their decision was based solely on technology maturity and performance. Microsoft is the vendor that is offering platforms and platform services that can run in the cloud, on-premises, or both, allowing you to address the hybrid needs of today's customers. They have the aggregate of platforms, services, and products built on the same technology and with credibility in all segments of the market, from SMB to enterprise. With the common tools to develop, monitor, manage, and optimize, Microsoft also enables you to deliver faster and with less resources needed, since you don't need the dedicated people or skill sets on a service-by-service level. Last but not least, they have local presence in 119 countries from around the world, providing you with support and resources, which is increasingly important when you are at the beginning of your new cloud business development. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check other video resources on Microsoft Advantage Partner Portal.